It's turning out to be a very good day for Vice President Jejomar Binay as he statistically ties with Senator Grace Poe for the top spot in the latest Pulse Asia survey. The United Nationalist Alliance standard-bearer receives 25%, 3 points higher than his last voter preference rating. Poe's rating is at 26%.
Masaya ba tayo dun, sir? Wala ka naman malungkot ka sa ngayon. Pero patuloy ang pagpapaabot ng pasasalamat sa ating mga kababayan. At ito hindi na pa mapipigilan. Tuloy-tuloy na yan. Tumaas ako dahil sa talagang naniniwala na ho talaga ang ating maraming kababayan na ako ang karapat-dapat naging panggulo ng ating bansa.
The Vice President thinks his persistent ground campaigning is paying off. Binay recalls the 2010 elections when he slowly but surely gained momentum to win the vice presidency. Will history repeat itself for Jejomar Binay? Mara Cepeda, Rappler, Bulacan.